So, Assalamualaikum students. I hope you all are fine and staying at home in this pandemic situation. We are sharing you videos. So today, in this chapter, students will learn define the term habitat and natural resource, identify the environmental factors temperature, light and water that support life in habitat, describe the different habitats for living things, polar regions, deserts, forest and aquatic, identify the plants and animals that live in different habitats, identify the ways plants and animals adapt to their habitat, identify the ways human activities affect natural habitat. So students, come to this paragraph. There are many places on earth with either very high or low temperatures or no water or few plants. However, such places are still able to support a variety of living things. So students, there are many places on earth with high or low temperatures, for example deserts or no water, few plants. These are all are examples of deserts. Some countries including Dubai. However, कुछ भी है, there are places that are still able to support a variety of living things, one and only our planet Earth. So there are many places on earth where we live. Places to live. A habitat of living things is the area where it can live and grow comfortably. A habitat. What is a habitat? Is a place where living thing lives, grow. A habitat gives the suitable environment. For example, a camel lives in desert. So the desert provides all the conditions to the camel, all the camel needed, because the camel live in desert. It is a desert animal. So even if it is a difficult environment for other living things, if we are living in South Asia, we are living in South Asia. If we will go to North and South poles. So this environment is better for you, या वो environment आप तो लोगों के लिए better, it is better, or North or South poles are better. So it is better because it is a habitat for you. So a habitat can very hot and very cold. For example, deserts. For example, North and South poles. North and South poles are a habitat of polar bears because it can survive in colder climates. And in hotter climates, camel can survive. And desert are the example of hot climatic area. So it can be up to mountain or deep in the ocean. Markhor is a mountainy animal, but it can survive in the mountain because the mountain gives all the conditions the markhor or any animal lives on mountain needed. Or deep in ocean, for example fishes or in white plants, for example lions and tigers. It could even be a city or a village. So we are living in a village. If someone says you that city को छोड़े and come to village, so you go to village and survive and live here for 2 to 3 days. So it is difficult for you because city life is easy than a village life. So, but these are known as man-made habitats. City and village are man-made habitat. But we will read about natural habitats. Natural habitats are the following types: aquatic, water, deserts, hotter climates, polar colder climates, forests, wild plants or trees, forests are consist of these things. So all habitats are different from each other as a result. So plants and animals which live and grow in them, the environment of a habitat depends on the following factors: the amount of sunlight, the quantity of air and soil, water and temperature. If these four things are not available in the habitat you is living, so you can't survive for one day. So all these factors together form the ecosystem of a habitat. What is formed? A ecosystem. So an ecosystem is made by the interaction between the living and non-living things. If in your house there will be bed and you, so it is an ecosystem. You sleep on bed, there is a mattress on your bed, so it is an ecosystem is made up of interactions between non and living things. Students, here we will read some natural habitats of the world. So our first habitat is aquatic, the only habitat not located on land and divided into marine, sea and freshwater river groups. A habitat is not located on land or on mountains. It includes animals which may live on both land and water, or even near, not inside water. Fishes are the most well-known examples of animals which live in this habitat, in aquatic habitat. Other example includes crocodiles, alligators, octopus, etc. So students, these are some animals or plants live in aquatic habitat. There is an amazing fact. The aquatic habitat is home to the largest blue whale and smallest plankton animals in the world. So, blue whale, the largest animal in the world, and these are planktons that also live in aquatic habitat. Now here are another example of the natural habitat: deserts. These are the very dry and sandy areas and don't much rain. They have very hot days and very cold nights. This is very interesting. They may have rocks or mountains. They contain very few or no trees, but other plants exist, most well known of which are cacti, fox, camel, and some plant and snake and cactus. So deserts are very dry, cold it has cold nights and hot days, too much hot. This is not plain. Deserts have rocks or mountainy areas, and there are no trees. And some of the examples are cacti means cactus. Polar. These are the areas on the extreme top and on the bottom of the poles. That's why these areas are very cold. They are very cold and also dry, covered with snow and ice. They contain no trees but very small plants.